In Midjourney, you have the option to use reference images for your prompts. This can be helpful if you want a similar image but styled differently. Here is how you do it. You begin your prompt with the URL of the image you want to use as a reference. The format should be like this. You can upload an image on Discord. Click on it, right-click, and copy the image address. You can then paste this address at the start of your prompt. You can also use the image weight parameter to decide how much the image should influence the final result. A higher value means the image has more influence. The default value is 1, and you can choose any value between 0.5 and 2. Please remember that you can't edit reference image directly. For example, you can't ask Midjourney to remove the people in the background of your image. You need to provide a clear prompt, and Midjourney will create a new image based on that prompt and your reference image. Here are some examples. Add a background like a coffee shop or park to get your desired image. You can also change futuristic clothing to any clothing style you like in this prompt. If you add the no parameter with the keyword 3D art at the end of your prompt, you will get a 2D cartoon art. Also try it out with the Midjourney version 5.2. With this trick, you can also use cute dog images. And just like the blend command, you can put together more than one image in your prompt. This way you can mix parts of different pictures into one unique image. Try it out and experiment. You might need a few attempts to get the image you want, but it's all part of the fun. Remix mode in Midjourney lets you make changes to your previous prompts with a simple click. You can use it to adjust keywords, settings, and parameters like model versions or the size of your image. When you use the remix mode, your original image design will be kept in the new version. Here is how to use it. First, type in /settings. Turn on remix mode. Make an imagine prompt. And now click one of the variation buttons to edit your imagine prompt. It's a super handy tool to increase your productivity and get your images just how you like them. Try it out and see how it can help you make the perfect image. If you find yourself using the same words again and again for your imagine prompts, you can make it easier by saving these words as a shortcut. This can be done using the /prefer option set command. Here is how you do it. Type /prefer option set and press enter. Put in a name for your shortcut. For example, you could name it portrait. Click on the +1 and choose value. Enter your keywords and parameters. Press enter to save your shortcut. This is your custom parameter now. If you want to see all shortcuts you have saved, use the command prefer option list. You can save up to 20 shortcuts in this way. In very rare cases, you might find that the comma doesn't do enough to separate your keywords, and you want to be able to control how important each word is in your picture. Midjourney lets you do this with a special technique to assign weight to your keywords. For instance, if you type /imagine prompt space, ship, you get a picture of a spaceship. But if you put 2 colons between the words like this, Midjourney understands that it should treat the words as separate things. As you can see, we have more of a pirate ship here, rather than a sci-fi looking spaceship. You can also make one word more important than another by adding a number after the double colon. For example, in this prompt, the 3 after space tells Midjourney to make the space 3 times more important than the ship. If you want, you can also use different numbers to adjust how important each thing is. For example, in this prompt, the space is twice as important as the ship. And in this prompt, the space is 3 times more important than the ship. Remember, you can also use the no parameter to leave out certain things or features from your picture, for example, human. Now you know how to control your prompts more effectively. Midjourney lets you use emojis in your prompts, which is a lot of fun. You can let your imagination go wild with this feature. Basically, you can use any emoji or combination of emojis and text. You can simply copy and paste any emoji from your chat app like WhatsApp or a website like getemoji.com. Alternatively, you can also use the emoji button to select an emoji. Let's try it out. This could create an image of a full moon, a tree, and an owl. This might create a cityscape at sunset with palm trees. This could generate an image of a woman surfing on waves. This feature can help add a bit of creativity and flair to your prompts. Feel free to experiment and see what unique creations you can come up with. In this lesson, I'm about to reveal a game-changing Midjourney cheat code that will empower you to recreate specific styles with ease. Let's say you're in love with the style of the Notion illustration characters and want to recreate it. You try crafting a prompt on your own, but after many attempts, you are no closer to your goal. Frustration sets in. Sounds familiar? When things don't go to plan, Midjourney's describe command is a good place to start. It might offer a hint or two guiding you closer to your desired outcome. But what if the describe command also falls short? This is where our cheat code comes into play. Now follow these steps. Screenshot or save multiple images reflecting the art style you're aiming for. Head over to Discord and upload all the images. Once uploaded, you can easily copy the link of each image. These links will be your goldmine. Separate each link with a space between. Just click on the space bar. Now copy and paste your prompt. This will now reference the links in your prompt. By providing the AI multiple samples, you're essentially guiding it towards the desired art style. With this approach, Midjourney now has a clearer blueprint, and soon you will witness the replication magic unfold. And remember, the more images and details you offer regarding your preferred art style, the better the outcome will be. Now let's try another one. In this case, we are trying to create a woman with cat in the same art style. While this cheat code is powerful, it comes with responsibility. Remember, always respect copyright and trademark laws. Ensure your creations do not infringe on the rights of other artists. Now, in the vast universe of digital art, there will be moments where challenges seem impossible to solve. But with tools like Midjourney and the techniques shared in this lesson, there's always a way. Keep this cheat code in your back pocket, and the next time you hit a creative roadblock, you will know just how to pave a way through. Now I challenge you to try this method. Dive deep into the world of replication, share your creations, and let's learn together. I will see you in the next lesson.